Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution. We are going to see in two methods. Method 1. X minus 1 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Now we are going to take a square root on both sides. So x minus 1 by 2 whole power 2 in square root equal to square root of 64. Now the square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x minus 1 by 2 equal to 64 square root is 8. Now this is plus or minus. Now x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 8. We are moving this right hand side. Multiply by 2. So x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 16. Now we are moving this right hand side, this minus 1. So x equal to plus or minus 16 plus 1. Now x equal to plus 16 plus 1, x equal to 17, and x 2 equal to minus 16 plus 1, here minus 15. These are the two possible solutions in first method. Now we are going to verify this. Verify x minus 1 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. X equal to 17, x equal to minus 15. This we are going to implement here. So 17 minus 1 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Now 17 minus 1 is 16 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Now simplify this, we'll get here 8. So 8 square equal to 64. Now 8 square is 64 equal to 64. Now we are going to implement this x equal to minus 15 in this equation. So minus 15 minus 1 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Now minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16 by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Simplify this, you get here 8. So minus 8 square equal to 64. Minus 8 square is again 64 equal to 64. So LHS equal to RHS. So now we have verified. Now we are going to check the same in second method. Method 2. The equation here is x minus 1 divided by 2 whole power 2 equal to 64. Now this can be written as x minus 1 whole square by 2 square equal to, this 64 can be written as 8 square. Now x minus 1 whole square equal to this 8 square times we are moving this right hand side, so 2 square. Now x minus 1 whole square equal to, this can be written as 8 times of 2 whole square. X minus 1 whole square equal to 16 square. Now moving the 16 square left hand side, so x minus 1 square minus 16 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula. A square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x minus 1 minus 16 x minus 1 plus 16 equal to 0. Now x minus 17, x here it is plus 15 equal to 0. Now from this we have two equations, x minus 17 equal to 0, x plus 15 equal to 0. Here x equal to 17, here x equal to, moving this 15 right hand side, so we'll get minus 15. We have found the same answer in second method. Thanks for watching this video.